Alright, here I'm showing off is my brother's Bissell Cleanview Swivel Pet with triple action brush. That would be this guy right here, which, if I'm going to be honest, I don't think it's been used yet. He's had this since March, so fairly recently. He got it brand new as a wedding gift for his apartment here. And overall, he said it's been working good for him. He actually did just ask me to come over and take a look at it because, as you can see here, there's a crack in the bin here. And honestly, for such a cheaply built machine that isn't going to last for very long, I honestly don't think it's worth getting a replacement bin for it. As long as it doesn't spew dust or affect performance, I think it's fine for what it is. So this is pretty similar to the Cleanview from my last video that I've since donated to the office. So it does have a dusting brush attached to the crevice tool that you can just simply pop out. And unlike the Power Force with very cheap nylon bristles, this one's actually fairly soft for what it is. I'll give it that. It does have a wand here that you can pop out and use for like vacuuming crevices or get into high above reach areas. And it also has a hose that you can detach from here as well. Pretty similar to the Bissell at my mom's work. And like the other Cleanview, the only filter it has on this is a washable one. So this isn't a HEPA rated machine. Even if it was, it's definitely not a good sealed filtering unit. So it does have a rubber belt, which you should replace every 3 to 6 months. Height adjuster for cleaning all certain types of flooring you have. I don't personally recommend using it on bare floors. The thing I find interesting with Bissell is that they use different colors for the bristles, and not just the colors, but even the green is stiffer and the white is softer. I find that very odd. It does have a squeegee on the bottom, so I'll also give him that for credit as well. Here is the model number. And you got your usual warning labels there. Overall, it's decent for what it is. Personally, if someone gave one to me, I would not keep it because I don't like bagless. I also don't like cheaply made stuff that isn't going to last for very long. But for being free, I honestly can't complain too much about. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Turn it on right here. Very hard to put the hose back on in one hand, but anyways. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.